Now, what can SlideShare do for your business? For one, it could build your brand and your reputation. One of my favorite things about SlideShare is that you can use it to collect business leads. You can even use their lead generation service called LeadShare, uh, which unfortunately is not free, but is worth it for the appropriate type of business. But basically, you can collect leads on SlideShare by just putting a call to action on your presentations or your PDFs and videos. And some other things that you can do what's on SlideShare that's beneficial for your business is, for one, you can make professional contacts on this network. You can improve your presentation skills and maybe even get invited for public speaking or conferences when people find you on this network. Another great thing about SlideShare is that it can help your content go viral. Okay, you can also create webinars, recorded lectures, and musical slideshows. You can even embed YouTube videos in your SlideShare presentations. And you can even add SlideShare to your LinkedIn and Facebook profiles. And basically, you can make your SlideShare channel an extension of your website or your brand.